Okay, today we will see how to send SMS by Python script using REST API. Okay, so first you have to import request in your Python script, then create a variable URL. Okay, in my case, my service provider is fast2sms.com. Okay, this is my URL, or you can say service provider. Now you have to set API query string, it that is authorization. For authorization you need to API key. Just copy the API keys from your service provider and paste that API key here. Okay, and after this, what you want to send, what type of message you want to send. Okay, message, this is a text message sent from Python script using REST API via fast.com in my case. Okay, so you just simply type any message here. Okay, no need, you can also type hello my friend, like that. Next, choose your language. In which language are you typing your message? That is English, in my case English. Now root, choose your root. Okay, as per your API keys. Then you need to type numbers, type some numbers here. Okay, if you want to send SMS in bulk, okay, then you can enter numbers here. Then you need to set headers. Okay, this is the extra information. Now for response, just put the response in try block. Request get, this is the API keys method. Okay, there are two types of method, get and post. So I'm using get. Okay, then your URL, your headers, your parameters are API query string. Okay, if this query executes, then you simply just print a simple message on your Python output screen. Simply your SMS successfully sent. If any error or exception occurred, then you need to print oops, something went wrong. Okay, okay, thanks for watching. Before to the final, okay, let's see the how it works. Just type the file name here, send sms.py. Okay, in my case, now type python send sms.py and execute it. Okay, then this will print oops, something went wrong. Here some error occurred. Okay, let's see what is the error. Error maybe error here, authorization. Okay, you just need to copy and paste your API keys. Okay, you just copy and paste your API keys, then your query will be executed. Okay, thanks for watching.